United 1 Heavy, cross-range turbulence, runway 28 left line of weight.
Runway 28 left line of weight, United 1 Heavy.
United 1 Heavy, is that still the longest flight for United out of here right now?
It is. Delhi has been canceled for us, but Singapore is our longest.
Okay, are they bringing the Delhi flight back just, I guess, when, travel gets a little better?
Yeah, we have overflight issues right now and proximity within 200 miles of combat areas, so we can't go either way to get over to India from here.
Oh, roger. Thanks for the info.
I could be making about half of this up now.
United 1 Heavy, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28 left, clear for takeoff. United 1 Heavy.
United 1 Heavy, contact NorCal.
United 1 switch into NorCal. 16-hour flight tonight. See ya.